Ever wondered how to make the perfect pie crust? The secret lies in mastering Pâte Brisée, a classic French pastry dough. This simple blend of flour, butter, salt, and water is a cornerstone in baking. Stay with us to learn how to make the perfect Pâte Brisée. Creating the perfect Pâte Brisée begins with selecting the right ingredients. The butter is the star, lending its rich flavor and creating that delightful flakiness. A touch of salt enhances taste while just enough water binds everything together. With your ingredients ready, we move on to the mixing process. Mixing the ingredients correctly is crucial to achieve the right texture for your pâte brisée. Start by combining flour and salt, gently whisking to ensure an even distribution. Next, cut in cold butter until you see pea-sized crumbs form. This is where the magic happens, creating that flaky texture we all love. Gradually add water, just enough to bring the dough together. Remember, the key is to avoid overworking the dough, as this can lead to a tough crust. Once your dough has come together, it's time for the chilling process. Chilling the dough is a vital step in making pâte brisée, allowing the butter to harden and the gluten to relax. Once your dough is thoroughly mixed, wrap it snugly in plastic wrap. This cocoon of sorts will protect your dough as it rests in the refrigerator for at least an hour. This pause in the action is more than a break. It's a crucial process that ensures a flaky and tender crust, a hallmark of perfect pâte brisée. After chilling, your pâte brisée is now ready to be rolled out and baked into a delicious pie. Mastering pâte brisée is the gateway to creating perfect pie crusts every time. Let's quickly recap. We've learned how crucial it is to select the right ingredients, how to properly mix them for that perfect texture, and the vital role chilling the dough plays in the final product. Each step is equally important in making your pâte brisée a success. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep baking and you will master pâte brisée in no time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more baking tips and tricks.